Well, there we go. On a super wet afternoon here in sunny far north Queensland. Nothing better to do than to get the mower and the gorilla cart and move all that brush we've cut down. And what I've done is just taken it over here and put it along the fence line. I'll leave that there for a little while to let it dry out a bit. You don't need to let it dry out to run it through our chipper, but it's a bit too wet today to bring the chipper out anyway, and I just like to dry it out a little bit. It just gives a better wood chip, I think. We'll chip all that. We'll take that wood chip, spread it through the garden, fill up some garden beds with it, also put it through the chicken run, and put it in some of the wetter spots we've got through the yard. I've also taken the bigger bits of wood and put them over here separately, and we'll leave them there for a while to dry out, and then we'll be able to put them through the fire pit when we have a fire at night. But yeah, there we go. It's actually much better to do this type of thing on a day like today. Yes, it's wet. Yes, you get a bit soaking, but it's far cooler to do it now than to wait until that sun's out and it's getting a bit warm. Much more enjoyable on a day like today.